Few things can make you more furious than a rock flying up and chipping your windshield. Not only does it make your car look janky, but it can also impact your visibility and be a safety hazard. You have a handful of options to fix it. You can get a new windshield, which will cost you an arm and a leg. You could use the services of a professional glass repair company, which would cost you half a kidney, or you could use a windshield repair kit. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best windshield repair kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit. Rain-X is known for making superb car care products. From headlight restoration kits to wiper blades, this company has the experience and technology to make car care products that are effective and long-lasting. The company's windshield repair kit is no exception. With great user ratings, this kit comes with a quad suction pad applicator and 0.96 ounces of resin glass repair fluid. This kit is super easy to use and, if done properly, will fix your crack or chip within minutes, excluding drying times. This kit can even fill longer cracks. Apart from windshields, it works on all kinds of laminated glass and windshields, including quarter windows, side windows, and rear screen. Rain-X advanced resin formula helps minimize the crack chip appearance very well, and also protects your windshield from further damage. Because you're getting more amount of fluid per package, this kit can be used for multiple repairs, making this a bargain. Number 2. Blue Star Windshield Repair Kit. This windshield repair kit from Blue Star comes with a 1.6 ounce tube of resin liquid. The kit includes a repair injector, an adhesive alignment seal, resin chamber pedestal, resin liquid, a curing film and a razor blade to scrub off excess liquid from your windshield. The company recommends the windshield repair work to be done in sunlight for best results. This kit seems to work better than most other kits in the market, and users have reported their windshield cracks harder to see in daylight, as compared to repair work done using other similar kits. This product can also work on shower doors and other laminated glass doors and windows. Number 3. 3M Windshield Repair Kit. 3M is a renowned company producing some of the best car care and home improvement products, and their windshield repair kit is one of them. The kit comes with a dual suction stabilizer, a bottle of resin liquid, a couple of wipes, a dropper, and a blade. Also included is an excellent quality, concise instructions manual. This kit requires no mixing or heating, and the amount supplied with the kit holds pressure really well. Although the kit works phenomenally well, some users suggest to use your own screws on the suction cups, rather than using the screws that come with the kit. That is the only drawback of this kit. Number 4. PDR King Windshield Repair Kit. If you're looking for a professional-grade windshield repair kit, Tri-Glass offers several different products to consider. The company's basic windshield repair kit is a lot more comprehensive than other offerings on our list, but should only really be used if you have the knowledge and experience with these tools. Another reason to opt for one of these kits is if you're considering a side job or hobby of repairing windshields. Each kit comes with everything you need to perform a quality, professional repair. The basic kit includes O-rings, pit buffer and polish, inspection mirror, mylar tabs, hook scrub and carbide scribe, lube, cloth, razor blades, acetone container, glass cleaner, and a DVD with training videos on how to repair windshields. The most important component on these kits is the patented Tri-Glass bridge, which features a precision stainless steel injector. But as we mentioned before, you'll want to know what you're doing before using this type of kit. You could actually make cracks even worse if you don't know what you're doing. Number 5. J.B. Weld Windshield Repair Kit. This windshield repair kit is made by the famous J.B. Weld company, known for producing patented epoxy products. This kit is made in the US and comes with a patented step-by-step system. The kit guarantees to minimize chips and cracks and prevent further damage. It can repair cracks and chips of up to 1.25 inches in diameter. When supplied correctly, the repair job leaves a smooth texture to your damaged windshield. One bottle of resin can work on 3 small pits. Customers have reported curing times of 12 hours or leaving it overnight, making this one of the slower curing kits. Similar to other J.B. Weld products, this one works pretty well if you follow the instructions. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.